Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So I welcome all of you on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a stable connection, and to secure your connection, and also to get an extra protection when you are online. So the app is on Google Play Store. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers, all subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. On this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection when you are online. So when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app. The app is known as Hassi Tunnel. So you search for that, Hassi Tunnel VPN. So among the presented, you pick this one, Hassi Tunnel VPN. So before you use any VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And also, please use VPNs responsibly and follow your local laws. So after installing this app on your device, you're required to set it up. So you open the app, and as we open this app, in case you are new on this channel, subscribe on this channel so you won't miss any future content. And when you reach in the app home screen, you are required to update the app. First of all, tap on this update button down below, then you click on online update. So this action is done to update the app resources so that you can get the latest configured settings of this app in order for it to provide you with the best service. So after doing that, you're required to pick a server. So you can tap right here where you see servers, then you can pick any of the presented servers. So for today's video, I recommend you to pick auto server. This is because the app will automatically pick the best working server in your location. And after that, you're required to pick a connection method. So for today's guide, let's pick the all countries UDP. This is because UDP is working for all countries and UDP is fast and secure. So in case UDP is working in your country, this option will definitely work for you. And if it is not working, you can pick your country name. So you tap right here, then in the search bar, you search for your country name. But for today's guide, you pick all countries UDP if UDP is working in your country. So after doing that, you're required to initiate a super fast and secure connection. So to do that, you tap on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, you can see that the app, you give it a few seconds and it will be connected right away. And right now the app is connected. And that's how we set up Hassi Tunnel VPN with all countries UDP settings to get a stable, a fast and a secure connection with extra protection when we are online. Please like this video, also subscribe on this channel for more videos. Comment in the comment section and let's meet in the next video.